match frame and reverse match frame. Now, let's talk about two functions as match frame and reverse match frame. If we need to open the media source of the clip that is lying on the timeline, for example, our aim is to select another fragment, then we will double-click on this clip. It will open it in the source window. The clip name consists of source, sequence name, clip name, timecode of the clip, start position. I mean, it's shown that the presentation of this particular source material is open. If we try to set other markers in or out, the clip will disappear from the timeline panel. We can change the position of our clip in the source window. If we change mark in, it will change accordingly on the track. If we cut mark out, it will be reduced. We have the flip tool function in the source panel. To do this, we clamp the area of markers in and out and move it to the desired place. Let's consider the match frame function. If we want to open the media source, we need to use the match frame function with the F key. This key allows you to open the clip at a specific place on the active track. The name of the clip returns to the original one without specifying the sequence and timecode. If the playhead is located on the clip that we selected, then match frame will open it. If we select, for example, audio on a non-active track, it will open this audio anyway, because it's highlighted. If we don't have anything highlighted, then this function will work by priority. It will open the clip that is closer to the center on the active track. What is the reverse match frame function? The reverse match frame works like this. Let's say we open the media source in the source panel. We know that this clip is somewhere on the timeline and we need to find its location. Reverse match frame Shift plus R combination moves the playhead to the place where the desired clip is located. If we have a clip on several timelines, then it will open it on the active timeline by priority. In addition, we have the opportunity to find it in another way. We find the Effect Controls tab on the source window and click on the checkbox that is to the right of the video name, and the window opens showing the location of this clip on the timeline and its timecode. When you click on it, the playhead will move to the specified location. There are two main features that help you find clips used in timeline. When your project gets big enough, you'll get a lot of different folders and clips. You can use match frame and reverse match frame in order to quickly switch from one place to another. For example, from the media source to the folder to watch an airbag clip or vice versa.